Hey Bucks, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time, and today we'll be slaying this beautiful wig from start to finish. This one comes courtesy of RPGSHOW Lifestyle, and as you guys can see, we're rocking the curtain bangs, but you can also push her back for a beautiful, flawless lace. I love the highlights they included, so if you're interested in getting the vibes and seeing the install, keep on watching.
I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed.
So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. As I mentioned, she did come colored, styled with curtain bangs. I kind of pulled everything back because I want you to see the hairline and understand that they did not come to play with this wig at all. She is a 16-inch 13x6 Swiss lace wig, 200% density, and this is what she looks like from the back. She literally came styled, cut, colored, everything you need, literally straight out of the box. So you already know this is literally going to be like a 3-minute install. For starters, let's go ahead and just push everything back. As I mentioned, you can send all of those bangs back. You kind of use like a wax or something to mold it back, and you can put it in a ponytail. I'll show you how I did so a little bit later in the video. For now, we're just going to cut off the excess lace. Because we have bangs, you really don't have to worry about customizing the hairline. It's a glueless fit, so you don't have to bond anything down, which we are not doing today. But I did want to go ahead and show you guys that it looks super flawless in the front. I went ahead and added my foundation powder along the hairline so you can see how well this one blends. It is glueless. The knots are bleached, literally tweezed. I cannot say enough. Now that we've worked on the hairline and pretty much installed her without having to bond anything down, let's go ahead and perfect the curtain bang. Now, I love the fact that they did this for us, but of course, it's a one-size-fits-all. This means that, you know, for some people, it may be a little bit too long, or you might want to, you know, bump it, or whatever the case may be. So this is where the styling came in, just finding my way with the bangs and seeing like exactly how I wanted it to sit. I really like the way it looks this way, and if it's too long, you can definitely like just shift the wig backwards a little bit instead of cutting it, or of course you can cut it. Now I'm going to use the dynamic duo, which is my wax stick paired with the electric hot comb to just flatten out all of the lace a little bit more. It's not necessarily bulky too much, but I still just wanted to make sure it's super flat and sleek. Also, it kind of just had like a very natural parting where there was no parting, in which again to me just looks a lot more natural, but I did want to go ahead and just add the parting to it just to see how I like it. Now that it's done and it's styled, I really wanted to show you how it looks in a ponytail. I just added a little bit of wax and brushed it back and literally put it in the ponytail, and as you can see, you can send it back into a ponytail with a flawless hairline, or you can wear it down. You don't have to style the ends or anything like that. Literally just cut the lace and go. And look how flawless it looks in a ponytail. Look how much bounce the hair looks. Perfection literally is her name. The video is over, but I just wanted to show you guys the versatility. Look how beautiful the hairline is, and all I did was did my wax stick and just brushed it back. Kind of used the wax stick to kind of like hold the shorter pieces back. You guys can see the hair, the bangs are in the ponytail, so they kind of stick up, but I think that's kind of cute. Like natural hair, when you put your hair in a ponytail, if you have bangs in the front, it sticks up. I probably would add more hair to it if I'm actually going to wear it out, but I just love this color against my cocoa complexion. And you can also do it in a bun. You can pin it back instead of ponytail, or you can do like cornrows or braids. You know, you can just be creative, but the point is that if this wig is something that you choose to invest in, you can definitely get versatility out of it. Look, it's glueless. It's not bonded down at all whatsoever, and as you guys can see, it looks like it's coming out of the scalp. And yeah, that was just a little trick, a little hack to show you guys that the wig is not just curtain bangs. You can do whatever you want with it. I just love the fact that it comes already styled in one way, and then you can switch it up later on for another way. But I think this one is so adorable. It's definitely a vibe. It's giving 70s vibe, but you guys already know the curtain bang is definitely back. This is from RPGSHOW Lifestyle, and this is the packaging here. I love this. It's almost like a marble granite. I'm not sure what this texture is called, but I love it. Inside, you open it up and the box is nice and heavy. I love a good heavy package. They have their magazine in here, and yes, they do have their own magazine. Also, you have this here, which is like a little info card. It has your like receipt or like the details on the wig that you have. You also have a wig grip, which actually I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side because I've been needing a wig grip, and actually that is perfect because you put the wig grip on underneath your glueless wigs like so, and you'll be able to not have to worry about it sliding or moving. It'll sit exactly perfect, because sometimes even if a wig is glueless, having little ones like this that are creeping in and opening the door will clock you. So they'll have your wig shifting, mommy, and picking you up, which, by the way, I want to mention that this one is glueless. I'm sure I have already, but when I say glueless, I mean it fits my head. Like, I measured my head and gave them my measurements, and I didn't even have to do that. So they did give brown wig caps, and they did give me a nice brown shade for my complexion. And then they also gave a nice dust bag, and this one has a really nice soft material, and it has their logo, and it just says beautiful, which I love because it's like an acronym of like B-U and then full. Super cute. And yeah, don't have any complaints. Direct link to the wig in the description box. Also details on everything we used to complete this look, even though it's like 2 or 3 things. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you always. I hope you guys are enjoying the cold weather as it's starting to cool down around the world. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.